Again, I took this. Again, the same option. You're able to see. Now
Yeah.
it is coming as a table 1 to 3. All tables are coming. It's page 1, page 2. No, this is a table 1, page 1 to page 3.
Oh, it automatically made just one table.
It should come with the 3 pages. No? Transform the data. Yes, it's coming in a. All the data is coming in page. Here we have a page 1 and we have. No, it is not coming. Only the first page is coming. What about the next page? Just give me a minute. I'll just close this. Delete this. Okay, apply changes. Okay, these all tables are coming first. I need to remove each and every. Use this. Get data, more, PDF, connect. Page 1, page 2, page 3, transform. Click, 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 delete. Click here. So we have the first row. I need to take this first row, column 1, page 1 and page 2. Okay, where 50 is coming as a null. I need to just take the heading here. No, you have to transform, use header as a first row. I'm taking this header as a first row. Now it is also column 1, column 2, column 3. It is also as a column 1, column 2, column 3. It is also as a column 1, column 2, column 3. Are you clear with this concept? I'm
Yeah, I
just
see
taking
that.
the column into that. Now I just go, say okay. You just append the query, append the query in a new, more than 2 table, page 1 first, then page 2, then page 3, then click on OK. The final query is containing all the rows. Can you see this?
Yeah, I see it.
100 rows. Now, one step small, I just click on to this. I just go to transform and again say use first row as
Header.
header. Now my data is complete.
Boom.
Fine. So these 3 tables are not required now. So I just take this and we say rename it my data. Now I can close and apply. We can take this data from my data. I hope you understand this.
Yeah, no, I got it.
Now you have to do this. 50 row added one error. So I do not require this. Delete it. So it's a reference to my data. We cannot delete it. We need to copy paste this data because otherwise this data will be deleted. So this data is there. So do you want to try this once?
Yeah, sure.
Let's try this. Open a new Power BI and then try. I'll just open for you. So this is very interesting when you need to fetch the data from PDF. Sometimes we require to do that because some people send the data in PDF. They want everybody is a very much intelligent and they can extract the data from PDF also. Try this. You can append a new because it will append in a page one. So just cancel it. Just cancel it. There is an option called append in a new query in a new. So there will be a new query for that.
Gotcha.
So one, two. One is already added. We need to add two and three. Boom.
Hmm. Look at this one.
So there is a data there and you miss that data because of data numbers. So I just go back to, give me the remote, give me the access. If you go to page 3, you have this at the top. If you go to page 2, you have this at the top. Fine. So what we can do before cleaning that, I just do the steps. Edit query. This all query will be there. This query is not required. Delete it. Come to the page 1. This is fine. Come to the page 2. There is a row. Where is that row? We do not have that row here. We do not have that row here. So I just append the query in a new 3 tables, 2, 3. Okay. When the query is appended, again go to the option move as a first row. That will be there. Oh, sorry. Just I need to promote. And after promoting, if there is an error, you can cross check by just clicking on to the hire date, and if there is any blank. So can you see any blank here?
No, I don't.
So there is no blank. There are 100 rows and 7 columns. That is perfectly fine.
Mhm.
Then close and apply. When I click on append, now I don't think, okay, there is an error.
Yeah, it has the, you know how we put the header at the to be at each page. You see it says E code, name, department, region, branch.
But it should come in the, okay,
It's
we
weird.
can do one. It's no, it's not able to, we are not able to see there. So we can just right click here and we can copy table. Still it is coming. We can filter out that by the blank, but that is not a solution. That is a solution in Power BI. Click on this. This is a column 1, column 2. Delete it. But data won't be directly loaded to the model. It's referencing table query. Okay. It is not coming here. If it is coming there, it should come here also. From here, we can filter easily. Okay, we'll fix it. I'll just work on that because this is a bug. We need to fix this bug. So we'll work on that. Leave it right now. I'll discuss tomorrow. No worries with that. We are not wasting our time.
For sure.